easy ways or easy methods that you can use to start making money online as a beginner, especially right here in Nigeria. Now, this is actually a new month, and I believe most of you started doing research. How can I make money online? What can I do with my time online? And how can I use my smartphone to make money? And the thing is that most people are tired because they have done a lot of research. I just want to share my own simple steps that you can also try out this new month. The thing is that these steps are steps that I personally use personally, and these are things that have worked out for me personally. And I feel like let me just share it here with you guys so that if anybody's interested, you can actually get into it. See me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Here on my channel, I talk about different online side hustles I can start, especially right here in Nigeria. If you want to be getting more update from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. So I'm not going to waste your time. I just want us to go straight to the point. This is a new month, so do well to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section, and please just comment happy new month in the comment section. So we have three types of beginners right here. We have the first stage, and we have the second stage and the third stage. The first stage of beginners are people that they don't have any capital. So I'm going to put here no capital. Second stage of beginner are people that have little capital. The third stage of beginners are people that have capital. We have three stages of beginners right here. Identify a type of beginner that you are. We have these three people, and know that their journey is totally different. And this is where I fall under when I started my make money online journey. So around 2020, 2021, I started my make money online journey. I was actually curious to make money online. It's not that I have a better phone. So how did I start? Me, I did not have any money. I came across a platform called Swagbox. I try out these particular platforms and they work out for me. I now have a little capital. Started my first gig online. I signed up on a platform called Hawkit. I signed up on another platform called Owo Daily. I started doing tax on this website, on this platform. So as a beginner, I think this might also work out for you. It might not be Hawkit and Owo Daily. Some of them require a little capital for you to start. Some of them don't require much capital. Some of them don't even require capital at all. So I actually realized that there are a lot of people in the world just like me that might need this particular online earning opportunities. So this particular drive drove me to start creating content for people. So whenever I go online and I see a nice platform, or I do research and I find different platforms that actually works out for me, I will just calm down, record a video and tell people, okay, I've used this platform, I use this platform, I use this one, this is working out for me, this is not working out for me. So that was just how I started creating content online. So if you're in the rock bottom, or if you're at the rock bottom and you want to move from stage 1 to stage 2 in your beginner journey, and you don't want to borrow somebody money just like I did, because I borrowed money for me to move from my stage 1 to my stage 2. But if you don't want to borrow money, there are a lot of other platforms that can actually help you. For example, there is a platform that I have been using personally. This platform here is called Walktask. Now, this is the platform that gave me over $140 or more, because I've actually withdrawn I've actually withdrawn over $20. So, but what I have in my wallet right now is over $140. The platform actually says that you can use it to do 1 or 2 online work, online tasks, small tasks, and you actually get rewarded. You get rewarded for your effort. But the thing is that I'm not saying that using this platform is going to give you a lot of money, so just ease your expectation. All what I'm saying is that this platform can help you for extra cash. Now, it took me like 2-3 months for me to earn over $140 on this particular platform. So I really don't know how long it's going to take you based on the effort I put, you understand? Because you might not want to put the same effort that I actually put for me to actually make the money. It's actually a platform that says they're going to reward you for working and doing other small online tasks. If you convert $140 to naira, for example, that will give you over 200k. So if you're a beginner and it took you 3 months to make 200,000, you remember you did not have anything before, you did not have no money before, and it took you 3 months to make 200 and something thousand, either 250k or 200k. I think that is actually an improvement, right? I believe that is an improvement too. That is something you should celebrate, which means you are ready to move to the next phase. You are ready to move to the next step, or you're ready to climb the next ladder, or you're actually ready to take the next step. So that is actually an improvement. I think you should celebrate that. We have the first level, now we have the second level. Let's talk about the people in stage 3. This set of people are the people I call the odogus, right? And they have good smartphone. This set of people, they have two options. The first option right here, they can take out a part of that their money to learn an online skill. All right, so let's be sincere. That truth you don't want to hear, that is what is actually keeping you behind. Whether you like it or not, you can't say you want to make money online without you having an online skill. You need skills like video editing is still high in demand. You need skills like graphic design, a professional. Even with the rise of AI till now, there's most professional top YouTubers that have their own graphics design, that print out their thumbnails, that print out other things for them. They pay them good amount of money. They pay them huge amount of money. So you need all these skills: graphic design, videography, online marketing, selling online or digital marketing, being able to sell online, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. If you don't know how to do all these things, you need to pay a professional to teach you how you can do all these things. All these things are skills that even if you don't want to apply them, you can still teach other people and they pay you for teaching them, right? It's very, very simple. So if you are at the top of this pyramid and you already have like 50K, 100K or 200K in your account, and you want to go online, or you want to venture into online money making, I think you should take a part of that your money, either 50K, 80K, 100K. Pay a professional to teach you an online skill that is actually high in demand. This is something that will fetch you money for the long term. The second option is for you to invest the money. So for you to invest the money. I'm not a financial advisor. Investment actually requires risk, right? Under investment, we have different kind of investment. We have what they call mutual fund. We also have what they call the stock market, online savings. All right, so investing in the mutual fund is very, very important. One of the reasons is because mutual funds, most of them are actually low risk, right? Or based on what you choose, but some of them have low risk. Now, this low risk means that your funds is there and it's actually safe. It's being managed by a professional. They give you dividends every 3 months. So platforms like Cowrywise, platforms like Optimus by favours, and some other platforms offer you the opportunity to invest into mutual fund. The second right here on my list is the stock market. Well, this is one of the best form of investment, especially for beginners. One of the reasons is because it's low capital. I mean, you can start with as low as 1,000 naira. There are some stocks in Nigeria that they can buy them for as low as 5 naira, 4 naira, 2 naira, 7 naira, 10 naira. Some of the platforms that can help you invest into the stock market: number one, Cowrywise; number two, Riseverse; and also we have Trove, we have Bamboo. Now, the one I like more now recently is Cowrywise, because they have a lot of Nigerian companies in there. Please note, with any business or any investment, they have the upside and the downside. So you can actually consult a professional that knows more about the business. Now, the next one right here we have is online savings. Now, there are a lot of platforms that offer online savings, right? Some of them can help you save in dollar, some of them can help you save in naira. And the dollar saving part is good because the economy is not stable. There are some platforms that offer you up to 20% and per annum for saving with them. So tell me what you think in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.